Today, before starting with the recipe, I would like to thank each and everyone who has loved, liked and supported my Umali recipe. Today I am here with another simple Arabic dessert which is called as Laili Lubnan, and it is also known as Lebanese night. Don't worry, the name sounds little complicated, but the dish is very easy and very delicious to make. So let's start with the recipe. But before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notification. To start with the recipe, we need a wide open pan to which I will be adding 2 cups of milk. And after adding this milk, keep stirring till the milk comes to a boil. Once the milk comes to a boil, you need to add 1/4 cup of sugar. And then stir it well till the sugar is dissolved completely. Once you feel the sugar is dissolved completely, add rava or semolina little by little. Don't add it together, there will be chance of lump formation. Add rava little by little and keep stirring so that it's completely dissolved in the milk. So once your rava is completely dissolved and mixed properly, and when it starts boiling, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then give a nice stir and mix till it's thick in consistency. So keep mixing this. Because it's rava, it will get thick very soon. This is the consistency of rava which is required. Don't make it too thick also. Then once it cools down, it will become too thick and too hard. So take a bowl or pan in which you want to set the dessert. And grease it well with the oil. Once you finish greasing it, add your first layer, that is your rava layer, to the base and set it nicely. And we have to keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours so that it's completely cooled and set before we add the next layer. Make the surface even with the back of your spoon. That will be very easy to do. So let's start with the next step. In the next step, we have to make sugar syrup. Sugar syrup in the sense we have to add 5 tablespoons of sugar and a little bit of water and make a thin syrup out of it. You don't have to make it very thick or there is no perfect consistency for it. Just a little liquid with sugar in it. This is an extra additional layer of sugar which is served with the dish. So now our sugar is melted and completely dissolved in the water, and you can now add few drops of lemon juice to this and keep it aside for cooling. For the next layer, we need whipped cream. This is the whipped cream which I have already bought from the shop. I have added little sugar and I gave a little gentle pulse in the mixie, and that's it. Our whipped cream layer is ready. If you don't have ready-made whipped cream at home, you can even make the whipped cream at home easily using wheat flour. If you have not seen that recipe, then I'll put the link in the description box or I'll put the iCard. You can just go through the recipe and make your own whipped cream at home. So our second layer is also ready. On top of it, I'll be adding some ground mixed nuts. It's a combination of pistachio and almonds. If you want, you can only add pistachios also. Decorate the top layer with these nuts, and then you have to place this mixture in fridge for another 2 hours so that both the layers are completely set and cool. And after 2 hours, when this dessert is completely set, it looks perfectly creamy and it is served cold. I'll just cut and show you. This is so soft in texture, and the perfect combination of the rava and cream is very delicious in taste. And most of the ingredients are easily available at home, so you can try it anytime. If you want, you can add sugar syrup on top of the complete dessert, or you can add the sugar syrup like individual preference. Some people like it too sweet and some people won't like it. So after tasting, or whoever wants can add the sugar syrup on top of this dessert before serving. Our yummy and creamy Arabic dessert is ready to be served. You can serve it cold and you can store it in the fridge well for at least a week. It's so soft and creamy that you can definitely give it a try. And if you have liked the recipe, do try it. And please let me know your feedback in the comment section. And don't forget to click the like button if you have liked the recipe. If you are watching without subscribing to my channel, please click the red subscribe button which you can see below the video. See you soon till we meet next time.